Good morning. I welcome you all to Rishikul Online School. And this is Module 5 of Model Test Paper, Class 9th English. And I'm your teacher Nisha Sharma. Writing section. Question number 6. Imagine you are all alone at home. You are very terrified. Write a diary entry in 100 to 120 words. So, dear children, you are to write this diary entry on your own using the correct format and word limit, and you must explain that you are alone and you are terrified, means you are very much afraid, and your diary entry must be around 1 or 1.5 page. Question number 7. Write a short story in 100 to 120 words using the following clues. Provide your story with the title. Raman was on the terrace, watching the last rays of the sun. Suddenly he heard something shouting coming from the street. He ran downstairs to see what had happened. So do you think that it is the complete story? No. You are to complete it in the best possible way, and you should give a title, and of course you should give the moral of your story as well. And again, you have to keep word limit in mind, and it must be somewhere around 1 to 1.5 page. Now literature section. There are 4 questions in literature section now. The first one is answer the following questions in 20 to 30 words. Name the various places or causes for which Evelyn performed. Why did Aurangzeb ban the playing of pungi? Why did not the child wait for an answer after he had pleaded for sweets? How does Toto come to grandfather's zoo? Question 9. Answer the following questions in 30 to 40 words. Why did the Guru not want to stay on the kingdom of fools? How can you see that the fair was popular with the people in general? So what do you think? This question is based on? Yes, you got it right. This question is based on the chapter The Lost Child. How does the wind make fun of weaklings? How was Einstein honored for his achievements? Next question, that is question number 10. Answer the following questions in 100 to 120 words. And the first question is, what do you think about the behavior of Kezia's mother towards her? Or, imagine you are a poet listening to the patter of the rain. Write a diary entry sharing your experiences, remembering your mother. So, dear children, out of these 2 questions, you are to do only one. You are to solve only one. In question number 11, what values of humanity are reflected through the character of the kind man who rescued the lost child? Yes, this is also, once more, this is from the question, from the chapter The Lost Child. And in the or part, there is a question, why was the happy prince not really happy? Again, out of these questions, you are to solve only one. You are to solve this model test paper in your assignment notebook. Hope you'll be doing it correctly in a very beautiful and neat hand. So this is all for this module. Your sample paper, your model test paper has been finished. I'll be meeting you very soon with another module. Till then, bye. Thank you.